Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Wild Taste Buds. I hope you all are doing good. Now today we're going to make a very simple yet delicious recipe again, and it is going to be the Dutch Baby Pancakes, guys. And to my surprise and to everyone's surprise, I am at a beautiful location, guys. And if you can notice, my voice is echoing right here. Wild Taste Buds. You can listen to it, guys. Wild Taste Buds. And this is a beautiful, pristine location. And I cannot afford to tell you that it is just 5 minutes away from my place. So let's get to the recipe now. So we need all-purpose flour, we need black pepper, we need oregano, we need salt, we need garlic cloves, coriander, button potatoes, shallots, cherries, milk, spinach, mushroom and eggs. To begin with, I'm going to start by this egg. I've got this all-purpose flour. Now let's break 2 eggs into this. Perfect. Now you got to mix this very thoroughly, guys. Make sure that there are no lumps. And then add some milk. Now we have to add black pepper, salt, and then oregano. Okay, now while it's time, I'm gonna heat the pan, mix this thoroughly. Once this is perfectly mixed, that's when you'll add the spinach. Perfect. Mix this very perfectly, guys. Now while this is mixing, keep it for rest for about 20 minutes, and then in the meanwhile we're going to fry our veggies. Perfect. Now it's time for the onions. It's time for the button potatoes. Fry that nicely for a while, and then we'll add the mushrooms. So we've added the mushrooms. And we're also gonna add a few cherries. So our mushrooms are pan fried. So after our butter is fried nicely, guys, if you can see, it should become brown. Okay, add lots of butter, guys. And now is the time to add your mashed egg. So with this, we are going to create an oven effect, guys. So our Dutch baby pancake is perfectly ready, guys. Just look at it. It's so fluffy. Okay, now it's time to add our toppings. Cherries, mushrooms, shallots, garlic cloves. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Dutch pancake is ready. I'm gonna cut it into two pieces here. Perfect, guys, if you can see. Yeah. Look at this. Perfect baby pancake delicacy. It is next level, guys. It is next level. Do try making this at home. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share it with your friends, guys. And we will see you later. Cheers. Bye.